Okay, good afternoon. So today we will learn basics of graph in data structures. Then we will see how to print the graph. Means already we have learned data structure like array, stack, queue, linked list, and trees. Okay. Again, the different data structures called graph data structures. What is a graph? A graph is a pictorial representation of a set of objects where some pair of objects are connected by links. Okay. You will not understand the definition. So here just you observe this diagram. A, B, C, D, E are denoted by the dots and some connections are shown between different dots. So this is one of the graph. Graph may be directed or graph may be simple graph. Means here no directions are there, simple graph. If A to B, if I draw one arrow at the end of this B, it will show directly graph. One simple example, when you go in a city, you have one way. One way means you cannot move the vehicle in both directions. You have only one path from one source to other destination. So that represent the graph. Or simply suppose you want to go from Nanded to Mumbai, suppose. So what you do? You go in google.com, you write path from Nanded to Mumbai. So what you get? You get one line where nodes represent the different cities and the edges represent the path, the connection, the road between different cities. And when you open the Google map, when you do the traveling, as you move to that particular location, graph get updated. So this is simple example. So we can find the shortest path using the graph. There are many applications. Okay. So this is simple example of the graph. Here nodes are 5 nodes and edges are shown. So here these nodes are called as vertex in the graph. So what is the graph? A graph is a pair of sets VE, where V is a set of vertices, E is a set of edges connecting the pairs of vertices. What is the E? E is a set of edges which connect to two vertices directly or indirectly. Indirectly means what? There is no edge between C and V, but these are connected through the A, C, A, B or C, D, B. Okay. So this example, vertex are, you denote the graph in this way. This graph is drawn pictorially. And V equal to in curly bracket, opening curly bracket. Here we are listing all the nodes, ending of curly bracket, and here edge equal to opening curly bracket, all the edges that connect the different vertices. AB, AB, AC, AC, BD, BD, CD, this CD, CD, DE, DE. Now you can name this D as DE or ED. You can name this path as AB or BA because this is not the directional graph. This is a simple graph. Directional graph means if you write here, directional graph. Okay. Directed graph, we name it directed graph. Here you can see this graph example. See this graph. Now this graph consists of how many nodes? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. And here A to B means what? There is a path from A to B. B to C means there is a path from B to C. But there is no path from C to B. Getting it or not? So we are assigning the direction to the edges through the graph. Clear? So here these edges are denoted by some numbers. We call it in our data set weights of the graph. This weight may be the time, this weights may be the distance, this weight may be the cost. म्हणजे काय? Suppose I want to travel from Nanded to Latur. So A denotes the Nanded node, B denotes the Latur node. And 150 kilometer, if I write 150 above this arrow, it shows that Latur to Nanded distance is 150 kilometer. So here number denotes the kilometer. If I change that number by time, 4 hours suppose. So I can say From Nanded to Latur, it takes 4 hours. Or if I say 10,000 rupees, 10,000 rupees means cost of the car. If I go from Nanded to Latur, then 10,000 rupees is the cost of the car. So from that you may be understanding whatever weight we assign to that particular path, it may be the length, it may be the time, it may be the cost. So depending on your interpretation, meaning get changed. Okay, this is your directional graph. Here you can see A to B, B to C, C to E, E to D, D to B. Now there is no path. There is path from B to the same node. It's called a loop in the graph. B, C, E, D. Okay, this loop is present in the graph. So I hope this concept is clear. It's called a directed graph, simple graph. Clear? So vertex, I have explained, edges. Okay, adjacency means two nodes or vertices are adjacent if they are connected to each other through an edge. Okay, so adjacency means if there is a path from one node to other node directly or indirectly, it's called adjacent, म्हणजे शेजारी. In the following example, B is adjacent to A, C. So here, B is adjacent to A, B is adjacent to C, and here B is adjacent to C is adjacent to B, B is adjacent to C, C is adjacent to B. Clear? And path. A path represents a sequence of edge between two vertices. In the following example, A, B, C, D represent the path from A to D. A, B, C, D is the path from node A to node D. Okay. So in the same way, from node A to G, path is A, F, G. Clear? So these are different terminology that we use in the graph. And what are the operation of the graph? Add vertex, add edge, display vertex. So now how do we display the vertex? As we create the array, we traverse the array. It's called traverse of the array. In the tree, we use pre-order, in-order, post-order. Now in the graph, we use traverser methods. So graph traversers are breadth first search, depth first search. Okay, these are traverse. Note down these words: DSA, depth first search, and breadth first search. So these are the traverse in the graph. I will explain with the help of example. Now depth means what? And breadth means what? Tell me. What is the meaning of breadth? Breadth means what? Breadth म्हणजे लांबी. Sorry, रुंदी. किती रुंद आहे. And depth means खोली. How much it is deep. How much it is deep. It shows the depth. किती आहे? S, A, D, G. This is the depth. Breadth means किती रुंद आहे? A, B, C, D. This is the depth. Sorry, breadth. Let us cover the thing one by one. So here, you should remember one thing now. Note down in your notebook. For breadth first search, we need Q as data structures. Okay. And for depth first search, we need stack as data structure. Note down this thing in your notebook. Now I will explain you the algorithm now. कसं करायचं नीट लक्ष द्या, because you have to write the program afterwards. In next 10 minutes, this DFS and BFS will be finished. Clear है? So note down this. आपला सब्जेक्ट कोणता आहे? डेटा स्ट्रक्चर सब्जेक्ट है ना, डेटा स्ट्रक्चर. Data, depth, structure, stack. Note down this. You should remember in this way. Data structure, D stands for depth, structure, C stands for stack. So remember, for depth first search, I need the stack. Because in examination you may be confused, or in the interview you may be confused. Depth first search stack वापरायचं किंवा वापरायचं. And breadth first search Q. Okay. So let us traverse the algorithm. Here, this is the graph given to you. Now here you can take any node at the start node. Any node at the start node you can take. Okay. So take this example. Yes, A, B, C, D. Okay. This example is different, and this example is different. Now we are going to cover breadth first search. म्हणजे काय? After using this algorithm, I will visit every node one time. Again, I repeat. After creating the graph is created by two ways. One way is using array, 2D array, first way. Second way using linked list. Clear? So this is example. Fine. So initially, take this take input to your algorithm is one graph, one diagram, which is a graph. Now initially Q is empty. Now we are going to cover breadth first search. Now be attentive. For next 5 minutes, do not see your mobile, do not get diverted, because I will finish both algorithm in next 5 to 10 minutes. So this is empty queue is there. So initially take any node at the start node. Any node. You can take any node at the start node. So here for your convenience, I take yes node at this here. For your convenience, we are taking a node as the start node. That must be unvisited. Unvisited means what? All nodes are initially unvisited. The moment I put the node in the queue, it becomes visited. Remember this thing. Clear or not? Here, see here. We start from visiting yes starting node and mark it visited. Okay? Yes, see it is shaded now. It is little bit shaded. If you observe this, it's a little bit shaded. Shade is added. Okay. Okay. It is shaded. We start from visiting starting node. Yes, mark it visited. Okay. We then see that unvisited adjacent node from yes are A, B, C. Okay. First step क्या किया जाएगा? First step is take the initial node yes. Okay. And afterwards push all the adjacent node of yes, A, B, C, one by one. So we see unvisited adjacent node from yes. In this example, we have 3 nodes, but alphabetically we choose A node. A, B, C is there. You can choose any node. Remember one thing, you can choose any node. Either you choose B, C, or A, but better use a convention. We are picking the node from left to right when you traverse the node. Clear? Okay, fine. So take the first node. Okay. A. We choose A and make it visited. Initially, all nodes are unvisited. The moment we push the node onto the queue, it becomes visited. Now here A is now visited. Now that's why its color is changed. It is shaded now. You can see the shaded. S is visited, A is visited. Fine. Now next unvisited adjacent from S is B. B. A, B. Okay, what I do? You will be confused because here representation little bit different. So I use notepad so that you will not be confused. Okay. Initially, yes is there. Then this is our queue. Huh? Initially, yes is there. Yes is visited. Then adjacent to yes is A. So here we are using depth first search, which uses Q. Okay. So here we push A, then we push.
Hello, sir.
Yes.
Sir, BFS.
Okay, sorry. No. We are covering breadth first search. Okay, sorry, correct. Breadth first search. Breadth first search queue and depth first search stack. Correct. Stack. So now we are going to cover breadth first search queue. Okay, so I delete it. So here first A is push, then B is push, then C is push. One thing, remember, whenever we push here, what you have to do? It's visited flag. You have visited flag here. You have to make visited flag as true. Visited true, visited true, and visited true. Means if you get the same node in future, you will not push. Clear? You have to check its visited flag. It is either true or false. Initially, all the nodes visited flag is false. The moment we push it onto the stack or queue, it becomes true. Here we are using the queue. Okay? So here A, B, C. Now let me know any other node is there? No. Then what you have to do? Now queue operates on the principle of, tell me, first in, first come, first in, first out, or last in, first out? First in, first out, na? Now who is the first node? A node. What you have to do afterwards? Tell me. काय करावं लागेल? Who will come first? कोण सांगतो मला?
A.
A. Correct. So we have to remove the A and we have to push the adjacent node of A. Who is adjacent node of A? Tell me. D.
D.
Correct. Thank you. Okay. Now, initially yes was pushed. Actually here yes is not inserted. Actually yes is to be inserted, but not inserted. Okay, no problem. So here what I am getting, see, initially yes is there. Yes is there. What I get here afterwards? I delete the A. I delete the A and I insert adjacent node of A is D. Okay. Then what should I delete? Tell me. B. Yes or no? Correct? Eh?
Yes, sir.
Good. So now you delete B. What do you get here? If you delete B, you get here yes, B, D. Clear? Eh? Any doubts? Or yes, B कुठं आलं? Sorry, D येत नाही.
Sir, SCD.
Yes is there, then B is there, then here C येईल ना. The moment I delete the B, it should be yes, yes, delete करा. Okay, आता बरोबर झालं. ठीक आहे? Yes, B. पुढे काय delete होईल? C delete होईल ना? Yes or no? Now here I delete the C. Delete the C. Clear एवढं? The moment I delete the C, I push all the node adjacent to C. Who is adjacent to C? In the
D.
same way. But already D is visited or not? Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
In the same way, when I delete the B, I push all the node, I insert all the node adjacent to B. But already D is visited. Yes or no?
Yes.
Try to understand the algorithm. काय करायचं आहे? When I delete the node, not only I have to delete the node, but also I have to insert all the nodes that are adjacent to that node. Clear है? Algorithm क्या है? Yes or no? Again I repeat, when I delete a node, I have to insert all the nodes that are adjacent to that node. Clear है? So
Yes,
here,
sir.
good, thank you. So when I delete the C, adjacent to C is D, already D is inserted, it's visited true. Now next is delete the D. ए राहिला आपला बघा, इथला आपला ए राहिला, इथे ए राहिला, लक्ष नाही कोणाचं इथं, यस ए आहे ना इथं, यस ए बी बरोबर आहे ना, राईट. This is your output. Now see here, yes A B C D, yes A B C. What is this? This is the breadth. रुंदी किती रुंद आहे ते मला पहिले भेटते. Agree or not? Clear है? What is
Yes.
ABC? It's breadth of the graph. Depth म्हणजे खोली. Any doubts to anyone? Doubts आहेत का? What I do, I run the same program for this algorithm now. फास्ट करतो म्हणजे लक्षात येईल थोडं. नीट लक्ष द्या. Take this initial node as yes node. Okay, insert yes, delete yes, and insert all the adjacent node of yes. What are that? A, B, C. A, B, C. Clear? Now next, delete A, delete A, delete A, and insert all node adjacent to A is D. D. बरोबर आहे?
Yes, sir.
समजलं? Good. Then next, delete B. Delete B and insert all node adjacent to B is E. बरोबर आहे? Sir, no?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Then delete C and insert all node adjacent to C, F. Clear है?
Yes, sir.
And delete D and insert all node adjacent to D is G. Clear है? Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Then delete E and insert all node adjacent to E which are not visited. G is already visited. That's why I cannot insert double time, second time. Clear? Eh?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Then delete F. Insert all node adjacent to F with G. Again delete G. Insert. Clear? Eh? एवढं समजलं? Now if you observe the output, we are traveling the graph level wise. First level, yes. Second level, A, B, C. Third level, D, E, F. Fourth level, G. That's why it's called as breadth first search. B, F, yes. Because we are covering the graph breadth wise. Samja, suppose that there are 6 nodes. Samja like the 6 node असले असते. Then our output would have been all that node. Next level समजा 7 नोड असले 7. आपल्या आउटपुट मध्ये पुढे 7 नोड असले असते. पुढे 8 नोड असले असते. आपल्या आउटपुट मध्ये 8 नोड असले असते. क्लियर आहे नाहीये? येस और नो? समजलं नाही समजलं? Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Okay, good. Thank you. Now, if you understood BFS, you can immediately understand DFS. काय करायचं सांगा मला? सिंपल आहे. Q च्या ऐवजी काय वापरायचं? Stack. That's it. Let us explore the algorithm. So what I do, I save this program. That when I upload the video, you can do this. काय करू शकता तुम्ही इथं कोणतं आहे आपलं stack breadth first search BFS. Okay, now let us explore DFS. See, visit adjacent unvisited vertex, mark it visited, display it, push it onto the stack. If no adjacent vertex is found, pop up and visit from the stack. म्हणजे आपण जे केलेलं आहे तेच रूल्स इथे दिलेले. ठीक आहे. Initially stack is empty. The first take yes as start node, stack push onto the stack, and visitor equal to true. Clear है? Next is pop from stack and push adjacent node of yes. Yes adjacent कौन है? Yes adjacent कौन है? The adjacent node of yes is A. Okay, and visitor equal to true. Then after A, okay, who is adjacent of A?
D.
D. Clear? Then who is adjacent D? B. हे बघा येस इनिशियली ठीक आहे थोडं कन्फ्युजिंग आहे अगेन आहे depth first search. Here little bit they have changed the convention. So we are going to cover DFS, depth first search. Here we will stack, which operate on the principle of last in first out. Last in first out. Okay, we are learning data structure subject. Remember in this way D stands for DFS so that you will not forget lifetime, and S stands for stack. Clear? Now you will not forget this lifelong. So here, so initially yes is pushed onto the stack, digit equal to true, and yes is pop, yes is printed. Okay. Next, which adjacent of yes? Adjacent of yes is
A.
Push it onto the stack. Then pop from stack A and push all node adjacent to that node. Yes, A, B, C. Okay. Adjacent of yes are A, B, C. Push A, push B, push C onto the stack. Clear? A push killer, B push killer, C push killer. It's VGT equal to 2 now. What is the next job? VGT equal to 2. Our next job is pop from stack. You get C deleted. Clear? So this is the step. Next control C, control D, pop C. Pop C, not pop. Okay. Temp equal to pop. I don't know which atom is it. Temp equal to pop. What I get? I get C. So I get C here. C. And what you have to do once you pop and push all adjacent nodes of pop atom. Okay, so temp equal to pop. What I get here? I get C and push all adjacent nodes of pop atom. Who is the next of C? D. Clear? एवढं समजलं नाही समजलं? Yes or no? Let me know.
Yes, sir.
So here what you get? You get C pop and adjacent of C is, tell me who is adjacent of C? कौन है सांगा?
D.
Correct. pushing adjacent nodes. So D is here, clear? Again, pop D, same step. So you get this node. Again, repeat the same process. Pop. So let me know what is the output now. Anyone can tell me? D will be pop. Okay. D is pop. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
And adjacent of D is B. But B is
Already
already
existed.
visited. Okay. So what I have get? See, yes, C, D. Then do the same thing again. Control C, Control V. Now here, what I get here? Yes, C, D. Here B. B is pop. Adjacent to B are yes and D, but yes and D, they are already visited. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
See, B is the pop, and we have to insert. We have to push all the atoms that are adjacent to B. But yes and D, they are already visited, so I cannot push. What is the next step? Again, do the same thing. A. And push all the node adjacent to A are yes and D, but already yes and D are already visited. It's true. What is the output now? C. What is the output? Tell me. Yes, C, D, B, A. Yes, C, D, B, A. What are you getting initially? Tell me. What is this? This is the depth or breadth.
Depth.
किती
Depth.
खोली आहे म्हणतो ना आपण ते विहीर खूप खोल आहे म्हणतो ना आपण. So in the same way, immediately when I traverse the node, first output that I get is its depth. Clear hai now? Idea is clear? Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Type in message box how many of you understood. If you understood, say yes, we understood both DFS and BFS conceptually, not program, but you have to see the program. Concept someone say yes लिया. और असं कोणी आहे ज्यांना कळालं नाही, I will repeat. If any one of you is there who have not yet understood, I will repeat. सर्वांना समजलं? Okay. So let us simulate the same algorithm for this node. Depth first search for this. Okay. आता हे थोडं फास्ट करतो मी आता. ठीक आहे. So what happened immediately? हे थोडं ऍडजस्ट करतो म्हणलं मी आणि हिला थोडं मोठं करू. ठीक आहे. So we are taking from this example. So we are going to simulate this. Okay. This website output. So I will do the fast. Fast करेल मी आता. लक्ष द्या. कारण वेळ संपत आलेला आहे आपल्या. So initially the node is yes. Yes node होता. Push केला. Pop केला. Output yes आला. Clear आहे? Adjacent to yes are A, B, C. Yes गेला. आता A, B, C. A आला. B आला. C आला. Clear आहे? A, B, C आला. And pop C. Pop C. ठीक आहे, मी काय करतो हे कॉपी पेस्ट करतो. कसं समजत नाही लवकर. Pop C. And push all node adjacent to C are yes, F, but already S is visited. F. Clear है? समझले एवढं? Next, again do the same thing. Pop F. Push all node adjacent to F are G, C, but already C is process G. समझले एवढं? Yes or no? Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Okay. The next step is pop G and push all node adjacent to G. Push pop G adjacent to G are E, F, D. Already F is process. F process झालाय का? Yes, F is process. ठीक है. So F is process. E is process? No. D is process? No. So here we push E, we push D. समजलं एवढं इथपर्यंत? Adjacent to G are F, E, D. F is already process. E and D are not process. So E, D. Your order may be E, D or D, E. Yeah. In any way you can run. Don't worry. Your output may be changed. Don't get confused. Clear? Hai? Then next is delete pop D. Push all node adjacent to D. Okay. Pop D adjacent to D are A. A push झालाय का? Yes. A is already process. So skip this. Okay, clear है? Yes or no? D च्या adjacent होता A. हे already process झालेला आहे. Then our next role is pop E adjacent to ER is B, and B is process. Yes, B is already process. ठीक है? So next is Control C. Pop B adjacent to BR. Yes, E. Both are process. Now last node is A. Control C, X. In this way, your BFS works. See here, yes, C, F, G. Yes, C, F, G. What is this? Tell me. काय आहे? Breadth or depth? Yes, what is this? Depth or breadth?
Depth.
So now your idea is clear? How DFS and BFS works for depth and breadth? Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So I pause the lecture for 30 seconds. Let me know how many of you understood. You can type in message box if you understood. Say yes, we understood. Somebody say yes, Leah. If you understood, say yes. Now my next question to you: can you write the program? Again, you have to develop the logic. Can you write the program? Already you are good in stack. Already you are good in queue. Using linked list, using array. You have covered both concepts. So can you write the program on your own without seeing the code? Yes or no? Write down. Yes, I can write the program. Write down in the message box. Yes, I can write the program. Or I will try. I will do it. Not try. I do it, sir. चला लिहा. कोण किती जण confident आहेत? Not try. Try म्हणजे होत नाही. I do it लिहा. I do it. I do it. मी करणार. Try म्हणजे excuse झालं. We don't want any excuse. We want the commitment. We want the accountability. भूषण गुड. बाकीच्या मुलांना करू शकत नाहीत का? गुड पियुष गुड. आणखी एवढेच मुलं करू शकतात, बाकीचे मुलं करू शकत नाहीत. 21 लाखचं पॅकेज पाहिजे का नाही? 21 लाखचं पॅकेज हवं असं तुम्हाला स्वतःला प्रोग्रामिंग करावं लागणार आहे, ते शिकावं लागणार आहे. इफ यू वॉन्ट 21 lakh पॅकेज विच इज द हायेस्ट इन AGGS in the history of AGGS, then you must do on your own. Yes, and now I expect more. Yes, if you want 21 lakh package, should I expect more? Yes. Sanika, thank you. Vaishnavi, Aditi, Divyani. Now this is your desire. You must have a plan. You must have an action. You must have consistent efforts for achievement of this goal. I wish you all the best. ठीक आहे, थांबूया इथं आपण. I will share this video on YouTube channel again by tomorrow. I will share yesterday's video also. ठीक आहे मग, थँक्यू व्हेरी मच. थांबूया आपण इथं. आय विल शेअर द गुगल फॉर्म. ओके, गुगल फॉर्म मी शेअर करतो, ते फॉर्म भरून टाका. ओके, आय विल शेअर इन नेक्स्ट 5 minutes. यू आर गिव्हन ओनली 5 minutes. फक्त 5 मिनिट दिले जाते तुम्हाला. ठीक आहे, ओके.